What's up, guys? I'm here with Althea. She's a 1991 Chevy G20 and the headlamp went out, so we're just gonna replace it. So all you need to replace the headlamp are two different screwdrivers. One is called a T10 and it has this kind of like star shape on it, super small star shape, and then a regular Phillips screwdriver, and obviously the headlamp. So just so you know, the headlamp looks like this. It looks just like the headlamp that's in there. The back actually has a little plug on it. So when you take this headlamp out, all you're doing is plugging this new one in and you're good to go. And don't forget your bear. Where your headlamp is at, there's a frame around it. Basically, the frame has 4 screws, the super small one that you're gonna need the T10 for. So you just unscrew them. Now we screwed the frame off. All you're gonna do is just pop it right off. Now you're left with the 2 headlamps. This is where you use the regular Phillips screwdriver just to unscrew. There's gonna be 4 more screws around the headlamp. You just unscrew those now. Now that you're starting to unscrew, I'm like, hi. Now that you're starting to unscrew the last screw, you're gonna see that the frame starts to just kind of come off. And you can kind of let the frame hang a bit. There we go. Okay, now the frame is off. You started with the frame for both headlamps, and then the frame for the one. Take both of those off. Now this bad boy literally just comes out. So that is what the headlamp, the back, this is the old headlamp. Once you screw everything off, it comes hanging down, and we're just gonna unplug those. So here is the old headlamp and the old plug. Looks super rusted and gross. That was in there. Now we put in the new one. For comparison, here's the old one, here's the new one, and here is the back. Uh-oh, shit, looks like we might have the wrong one. We'll see. Yes, that is lit. Now we just screw everything back on. Okay, and now that the frame is back on, we're gonna go ahead and try to turn the light on again just to double check that it works. Oh yeah, beautiful light.
The Mac and whatever in high school.
Yeah, Mac and Dev go to high school.
Great movie.
From a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
Like an 8.
What was your favorite part about the movie?
Just the educational piece along with like the music. The fact that it was Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa. Like there were a lot of little funny breakout stuff, and I don't like musicals, but I really enjoyed this.
Is this thing on? Let me grab my handy keys. Let me just do a little shebang. Whoop-a! 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 Nice. Okay, and it's brighter. The new one's brighter. There you have it, folks. And that, ladies and gents, is how you change a headlight. The T10 and the Phillips. Heck yeah, dude. It's so easy. I just did it, and I'm making a YouTube video about it. You know, we love it. We love it. Thank you.